Hello, Nefs fam. We are back with another recipe from my sister, and this is egg curry or anda curry we call. And please watch the video till the end for more tips. And let's get started. So this is the first ingredients. Again, the ingredients and the quantity will be in the description box. Don't worry about that. And again, this is the dry masalas. Same thing, the quantity and detail will be in the description box. Let's start cooking. Take a pan and put oil, and the quantity will be again in the description box. And we are going to add the chopped onion here. So please add the onions when the oil is hot, and just mix and cook the onions, and the tip will be towards the end, as I said. Meanwhile, you're making this base for the egg curry. You can boil your eggs. It depends on how much you want, for how many people you're making. So now we are adding the green chilies. So just mix and cook the onions until they are brown, not burn it, just brown. So now you see the onions are almost cooked here. So she added the ginger garlic paste and she makes it at home, and what she adds in it, let me know. If you want to see a video, we can do it. She added little water so that the base doesn't burn. Normally she makes the food in little oil, not too much oil. So yeah, she added some more water, and now you just cook. So when the onions are cooked, we'll start adding the dry masala. Again, the dry masala detail will be in the description box, and the quantity also. And just put everything together, mix it well, and cook. So she has also added the Kasuri Methi and the Coriander leaves at this point. So just mix everything, cook for some more time. So she's adding some more water, probably couple spoons of it, so that the base and your masala doesn't burn, and just cook for a few more minutes. And now she's adding the tomato base. So you can use a fresh or the canned one, depends on you, and just cook everything. So once the tomato base is cooked, add salt according to the taste, and mix it well, and then just let it cook for few more minutes. Just keep uh, mixing and cooking, mixing. And as you can see, the other side, the egg is boiling. So now little water is added to make the gravy, and add according to how much the gravy you want, and just keep boiling it and mixing. Let the gravy boil for a few minutes. You can just put a lid and let it cook for say about 5 minutes. Then take the boiled egg and just use a toothpick or whatever you want, and make little holes so that all the gravy, the masalas go in the egg, and the egg doesn't taste bland, and it also tastes really good. And just mix the gravy with the egg and just let it cook for, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes, and it's ready. So here's the tip for you guys. Don't cook the, don't boil the egg completely. Just boil it up to, I would say, 75%, and let the rest boil in the gravy so that it doesn't get overcooked. The egg doesn't boil like overboil. So I hope you like this recipe. If you have any questions, just put them down below, and please subscribe, and all my social medias are down below, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy the egg curry. Bye.